All right, so many times in the installation process of these beams, you may come to a part of the ceiling where there's no structural wood, no studs or rafters that you can use your stud finder to locate like we did in the earlier step and put your screws for your mounting blocks too. If there's no structural wood for those screws to catch, then you'll have nothing to hold the block up. So in that case, you're going to want to go ahead and use mollies. I like to use this butterfly type, and they're actually very easy to use. Let me show you what they are. It's basically a threaded bolt that has a spring-loaded butterfly end on it. And what we do, we'll drill a hole through our blocks, mounting blocks just the same as before, and we're going to push the bolts up through the block. And instead of using screws to go into our wood, we're now going to put these butterfly heads on top of it. So what this is going to do, if you've never used these before, they actually work great. This will allow us to drill a hole into the sheetrock, which is not structural, by the way. It's not going to hold the weight of the beams up. We can now go ahead and close these up, push them up inside the holes. They will open up on the top side of the sheetrock, allowing us to screw and tighten our block to the ceiling. That combined with our PL construction adhesive is going to make this very, very strong, give us a very effective foundation to hold up our beam. For more detailed instructions, information on these faux wood beams, or any of the other great products from Barron Designs, be sure to visit their website at barrondesigns.com.